Hello and welcome to our breaking news. FIFA has deducted 3 points from Bafana Bafana for fielding Teboho Mokoena when he was on a yellow card suspension against Lesotho. Mokoena was fielded on a game that Bafana Bafana won 2-0. However, they have forfeited that game and it has been resulted as a 3-0 loss due to that error. And FIFA has fined SAFA 10,000 Swiss franc and has given Mokoena a warning. They said that this decision can be appealed. The results of this decision, they leave Bafana Bafana in second place, behind Benin, who are now on top of the Group C World Cup qualifier on goal difference. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this issue that Bafana Bafana find themselves in? Who do you think should be blamed here? Should it be SAFA or should we blame FIFA for deducting points? I don't think that we can blame FIFA, as it is in their rules that if an eligible player gets played, the team will forfeit that game. So yeah, this leaves us with that issue of opening calculators to see how we qualify for the FIFA World Cup. So let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that Bafana Bafana will still be able to qualify, or do you think that the qualifying chances they are now slim? Let me hear your thoughts down below. English Premier League side Leeds United has announced legendary defender Lucas Radebe as their official club ambassador. The Kaizer Chiefs and Bafana Bafana legend is a highly respected figure at Ellen Road, having spent over a decade where he was the club's captain. Here is a statement from Leeds United. It says, Leeds United are delighted to announce Lucas Radebe as the club's official ambassador. Lucas is a focal point for award-winning educational schemes and anti-racism campaigns, and his dedication and support to the Leeds community on numerous important topics has been outstanding, demonstrated through many awards he has received. It is an honor to welcome Lucas back to the club. Let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Lucas Radebe being honored by Premier League side Leeds United? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.